I shut it by accident. I hit the button. I closed the other video right in the middle of you being cute. Where are you going? There you go. Come on. Come on, Frida. Come on, Lady Frida. Good girl. Where's the bird? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Can you get it? You want to put it right in your Bonito flakes? Oh! There you go. Where's the bird? What if I drag it across you? You don't care. There you go. Oh, we're rubbing against me. You're supposed to be playing. You want it on your Bonito flakes? You're not making this easy to film. No. I mean, I'm no Stanley Kubrick. I understand that, but still. Oh! That was a good one. Frida! That was like the best jump in the history of the world. Ready? Oh, where's your face? That was a good one. Ready? Good job. Are you hiding? Are you gonna stalk it? Are you a stalker? Yeah? Good job! Ready? Woo! Where is it? Where is it? Oh! You are awesome. Can you get it? Oh, dang, I don't want to turn this off again. I don't know how I managed to do that in the first place. I got to get a better grip. And it's even got grippies to help me along. Whoa! What was that? That was a treat you didn't eat. Yeah? You don't like those ones. Where's the bird? Good job. Good job. Let's get you exercising. Yeah. Good girl. Can you get it? Come on. Get it. Good girl, honey. Where is it? Oh, yeah, you knocked it down. Good job. Now, what are you doing under there? How are you supposed to get a bird when you're underneath a chair? Frida. Frida. Sweet girl. Okay, I'm shutting this one then. I'm going to send it. Because I got to post these and it takes a while. Yep. Are you not coming back out? Okay. Good job.